Again, so this is the second of the video, and I should apologise again if it's quite echoey. It is because I'm doing it in my office in school while we are on lockdown. So this is the second example with multiply matrices that one of my students has a bit struggled with. First thing to do then is look at what matrices you've got. So here I've got a 2 by 2, so it's 2 rows and 2 columns. And here I've got a 2 row by 2 column. I just highlight with 2 in the middle, so it gives me, my answer is going to be a 2 by 2, so numbers on the end. I now have a 2 by 2 matrices. I've got to multiply each row by each column, each row by each column. So this part of matrices, I've got A times by 7 added to B times by 6, C times by 7 added to D times by 6. So remember, you are adding A times by 0 plus B times by 8, C times by 0 plus D times by 8. That is important. If you're getting stuck, write that step down. Then simplify, collect like terms. Okay, so I've got 7A plus 6B, 7C and 6D, 8B and 8D. I'm then looking at which elements of a matrices I can figure out with the information I've got. This one's a bit trickier because I need to have the answers for B and D. So therefore, I'm using those two elements of the matrices and they are equal. I just need to find the value of B. So step 3, 8B is equal to 56, and you're all very good at this. We are dividing by 8 because I need to find 1B. So B is 7, which is correct. Then D, I've got here, which is this element of the matrices. So 8D is equal to negative 72. So 1D, remember, divide by the number to get 1. So divide by 8, and D is negative 9. Now I've found what B and D are equal to, I can then substitute it into these equations. So for this element of the matrices, I've got 7A plus 6B equals negative 21. I now know what B is, 7, multiply and substitute in, multiply out. So 7A plus 42 equals negative 21. Rearrange it to keep A in there. Take away 42 from both sides. Apologies, I should write that in. Take away 42. 7A equals negative 63. Then, because I want 1A, I just divide by 7. So A is negative 9. And similar process for this bit. So I've got 7C plus 6D equals 23. So just match up the parts of the element. Substitute in value for D. As you can see, I've already done it. And then I am adding 54 to both sides and dividing by 7. So C is 11. So I hope that helps. Please comment, subscribe somewhere on there so you can keep up to date with any videos that go online, and give me a shout, email me if you've got any problems, please do, and I can quickly do a YouTube video and hopefully see my lovely friendly face might help. Bye.